Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a controlled reference. Record a short ambient noise profile for 5-10 seconds so your tools learn the sound to remove. Next, import your 24-bit WAV into an editor and set levels so peaks sit near -12 dB because headroom prevents clipping. Once done, normalize only if necessary and apply a gentle high pass at 80 Hz to cut rumble. These first actionable steps reduce obvious noise and set a reliable baseline for deeper processing. You now move into spectral techniques because they remove persistent artifacts without wrecking tone. Create a noise print and run adaptive reduction at a conservative 612 dB. This reduces noise floor gradually. Then inspect the spectrogram and use a spectral brush to excise narrowband hums, clicks, and intermittent sounds. Work in small passes. Once clean, employ multiband compression at gentle ratios, 2 to 4 to 1. To glue dynamics while avoiding pumping, make sure to preview in context frequently. You finish with transparent polishing. Apply a linear phase EQ to tame resonances, using narrow notches only where necessary, because wide cuts alter timbre. Then run a de-esser to manage sibilance. Adjust threshold so sibilance reduce without sounding lisped. Once satisfied, render to lossless and listen on multiple devices. If aggressive processing introduces swimmy artifacts, revert to the previous snapshot, reduce reduction amounts, and reprocess in smaller increments. This single troubleshooting tip saves a session and preserves natural sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.